Macroeconomics MCQs Part 1. Microeconomic is derived from the Greek word option A macros, option B micris, option C micro, option D mykin. The correct answer is option A macros. Macroeconomics deals with option A whole economy, option B part economy, option C money, option D want. The correct answer is option A whole economy. National income comes under scope of dash. Option A macroeconomics, option B macroeconomics, option C business economics, option D Indian economy. The correct answer is option B macroeconomics. Green accounting can play a crucial role in the option A sustainable development, option B marginal cost, option C opportunity cost, option D average cost. Correct answer is option A sustainable development. Gross national income is an open economy is equal to option A GDP plus X minus M, option B equation, option C sum, option D total. The correct answer is option A GDP plus X minus M. Net factor income from abroad is dash in GNP. Option A included, option B excluded, option C marginal cost, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option A included. Gross domestic product at factor cost dash indirect tax. Included, option B excluded, option C marginal cost, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option B excluded. Gross national product at market price dash subsidies. Option A included, option B excluded, option C marginal cost, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option B excluded. The net profit of government enterprises are dash in national income. Option A included, option B excluded, option C marginal cost, option B none of the above. The correct answer is option B excluded. The value of output within a country is called option A domestic income, option B market demand, option C cost analysis, option D market supply. The correct answer is option A domestic income. Consumption demand depend upon the dash. Option A level of income, option B monopoly, option C perfect competition, option D oligopoly. The correct answer is option A level of income. Higher the dash, the higher will be level of investment. Option A marginal efficiency of capital, option B monopoly, option C perfect competition, option D oligopoly. The correct answer is option A marginal efficiency of capital. At peak dash prosperity. Option A ends, option B falls, option B constant, option D increase. The correct answer is option A ends. During dash consumer purchase declines slowly. Option A boom, option B recession, option C prosperity, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option B recession. Which of the following is not true of prosperity? Option A it begins at peak, option B supply, option C price, option D constant. The correct answer is option A it begins at peak. Boom is in dash phase of trade cycle. Option A expansionary, option D downward sloping, option C vertical straight line, option D horizontal straight line. The correct answer is option A expansionary. Employment multiplier was given by option A marginal prosperity to consume, option B intense, option C nil, option D low. The correct answer is option A marginal prosperity to consume. The size of multiplier depend upon option A marginal prosperity to consume, option B intense, option C nil, option D low. The correct answer is option A marginal prosperity to consume. Demand for money for active cash balance is dash elasticity. Option A income, option B price, option C money, option D marginal skill. The correct answer is option A income. Speculative motive is influenced by dash. Option A rate of interest, option B price elasticity of demand, option C price elasticity of supply, option D elasticity of substitution. The correct answer is option A rate of interest. The relationship between speculative motive and very low rate of interest is explained by option A liquidity, option B time series, option C survey, option D collective opinion. The correct answer is option A liquidity. The first national income calculation on a scientific basis in India is in the year Option A 1947-48, option B 1951-52, option C 1931-32, option D 1990-91. The correct answer is option C 1931-32. Net national product means GDP minus depreciation. Option D GDP plus depreciation. Option C net national product minus depreciation. D GNDP minus depreciation. The correct answer is option D GNDP minus depreciation. The concept of laissez-faire was a contribution of option A J.B. Say, option B Samuelson, option C J.M. Keynes, option D Milton Friedman. The correct answer is option A J.B. Say. Green accounting accounts for depletion of natural resources, cost of environmental degradation, option C pollution, option D all of the above. The correct answer is option D all of the above. Quantity of money according to classical theory will determine the option A saving and investment, option B national output, option C real wage, option D price level. The correct answer is option D price level. The deficiency of aggregate demand during depreciation period leads to option A seasonal unemployment, option B voluntary unemployment, option C involuntary unemployment, option D frictional unemployment. The correct answer is option C involuntary unemployment. In Keynesian's model of income determination, autonomous investment occurs due to option A change in income, option B change in employment, option C change in profit, option D change in social welfare program. The correct answer is option D change in social welfare program. Which among the following is not a tool of fiscal policy? Option A government expenditure, option B taxation, option B transfer payment, option B bank rate. The correct answer is option D bank rate.